What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a 3-year review of the Eibach Pro Kit. And as you can see how we're sitting pretty low. And to get right into the video, I haven't had any issues with my Eibach Pro Kit since it has been installed. Now, your issues may depend on your installer, or it may depend on what parts you use. I went with the original Mopar shocks in the rear. I kept my original bump stops on in the rear, but I used the Eibach Pro Kit bump stops for the front because they're a little softer. You get a little bit more comfortable of a ride. Now, I do get bottoming out sometimes if I'm going over like a bump, but it's just a very, very subtle bottoming out, which is a good thing. The Eibach Pro Kit comes with a lifetime warranty. Again, the vehicle rides smooth. I love the way it sits, it looks. I've had no issues with this thing. Do I recommend it? Absolutely. So again, make sure you guys leave a comment below. What do you have on your ride? What shocks did you go with after you remove your load leveling shocks? Because you will, in order for it to lower properly and stay low, you're going to have to remove the load leveling shocks. Check out my videos on the Eibach Pro Kit as well. So make sure you guys drop a comment below. Let me know how you guys Pro Kit is riding, the problems you're having, because everyone learns from the comment section. But again, I recommend the Eibach Pro Kit. It's maintenance free. You don't got to worry about coming out like airbags and worrying about one of the airbags is popped or let out air. No maintenance. It's just one and done. Install it and you're done. So that's going to wrap up this video. Make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next video. Alex RT Life signing off.